Hey guys, I'm back again. I'm so. This is not gonna be my last video since this is a tutorial. I need to stop doing that. Oh, dear Lord Jesus. Oh, that should help. That should help. What the frick? Yeah, well, I kind of feel it should stay up in the air. No, I don't want to do that. Because this is kind of like FNAF 1. Because you know how you have the red, but then there's orange instead of blue. But this is part 2, if you were wondering. Part 2 of the freaking tutorial of how to build Five Nights at Lucian's. So I'm going to now insert all this orange wool, a lot of it. But guys, if you enjoy this video, watch my other Minecraft videos. Watch the Minecraft Gmod video, which kinda is where I make Minecraft into Gmod. I do that since I don't have a PC. Because I don't have a freaking PC! I want a PC! I want a freaking PC. But I do have a phone, is how I make my videos. Then I upload them to the internet. Well, I made this thing up with Joey. It's hilarious. I don't want to creep you out because you know 3 a.m.'s usually where people make these weird videos that aren't really real. Because I have got proof that nothing scary happens at 3 a.m. because I was up at 3 a.m. once all night. I was up all night. And before 12 a.m. So probably like at 11 or something. And guys, nothing creepy happens at 3 a.m. People just frame you. Well, freaking frame it. They frame it. But it's actually fun to watch. Just still, don't try the 3 a.m. one-man challenge, one-man standing hide-and-seek challenge. Don't try it. I am not scared. You actually die. You die if you do it. It actually happens, guys. You do die. I am not kidding with you guys. You will die. Actually, that would just be a horrible death. You just have a horrible death. So don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Because you know how some people believe in ghosts and some people don't? Then you guys want answers. And yeah, you know what? You know where I got that from? Ghost Adventures. I watch it. Some people believe in ghosts. Some people don't. We work here yeah, well, I watch it. I'm proud of it. I love watching Ghost Adventures. It's one of the best shows ever. If you hate watching it, then frick off. Frick off. But actually, guys, I don't really care if you don't like it. Still watch this channel. I do not have a haunted house. If I did, this camera would be thrown at the wall. It's actually invincible, though, so the ghost would be trying for years to break it. Actually, you wouldn't, because then you would snap it in half. Because, yeah, I have tried to friggin' break it. I actually have tried to. I actually slammed it against my knee. And nothing happened. But guys, this is the hard part. You actually have to close so many doors though. Like literally, there's doors here. Doors here. Actually, I kind of want to make them wrong way, buddy. Change your way. Oh, I just made it open now. No! Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself, you piece of shit. Fuck off. Oh. Oh. Yeah, well. Oh, that's nice. It's so very nice. Break. Open. Yay, now they're both open and yep. They're not the same way. What the fuck? What the fuck? There, now 3 windows. 3 windows. Actually, that one would be pretty useful just to see outside of both doors. But I think I'm gonna break that. I don't want that. I seriously don't want that. There we go. Okay guys, I have to go to bed. Not in real life, in Minecraft, in freaking Minecraft. Okay guys, you can't. Yeah, the video quality, I don't know which. Yeah, well, I actually can't not read the video quality. It's fucking sketched on from the 1980s. Sketched on from 6,000 years ago. Holy shit. I actually don't know what it is, but there's your doors. Oh, what the fuck? The hell? There. I'm actually showing you guys how the frick you build Five Nights at Lush. This is how you build it. I haven't got the game planned out, but then this is how I think it should look. It should have a good look. Literally though, this is a very good look for a game. FNAF. Especially of how many doors you have to freaking close. I think that's just gonna get on people's nerves. How many goddamn doors there are. That actually is gonna piss people off. How many fucking doors there are. Hey guys, if I piss you off here, once I play this map, I'm actually gonna be pissed off myself. How many fucking goddamn doors there are. I'm actually gonna play a role play. Because I have 2 controllers, no one comes to my house. Because my only friend is Joey and he has bed bugs. Just, guys, if you're a friend of him, do not go in his house. Just play with him outside. But if you're kids and you come to Americana and you don't have any bugs and you're actually nice and come to my house, I'm very, very fucking polite. But you can obviously tell, well, not the way that I'm talking right now is not very polite, because I'm fucking pissed. Once I do this roleplay, who knows which door. Actually, I would have to close both doors on that one, because you can just come in the other door if I don't close both. Yeah, well, that would be a mind trick, guys, so don't fall for that one mind trick. That is one mind trick. That could mess you all up. That one mind trick. Because you know how FNAF 1 there's only 2 doors. But look, there's 2 more. Oh, I got a much better idea. There. Now if there's one in front of you, you can just click that lever. It closes both doors. That one just closes that one. That one just closes that one. But then I'm actually going to put... This one actually is very useful. This one in the corner should turn off all of them. Will close all doors. Like, I think, well, hopefully. Let me get some redstone. Oh yeah, I'm not working on that one anymore, so I can just do that. Let me get a redstone repeater. I guess I can just do that. Let's see if this redstone will get turned on. Yes. Alright, let's see if that works. No, that did not work. Actually, I think I'm better off without that. You know how I said this is the office colors? Yeah, well, it is, see? That's how I'm gonna fix the floor. Yep, well, broke the door. I don't feel shame at all. Actually, let me get that in my inventory. Actually, first let me break the door. Then I believe that would be a way. Nope. No, I want an open door. I'm gonna break that. That should help. There we go. Now let me put that back. Break. Place. Place. Now look. Now I'm going to end the video right there because I got to 13. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and subscribe. Peace out.